Stop recording.
I'm not recording.
Hello, welcome to everyone's favorite show, Prince and the Peapods. I'm your host, Sugar Pie Purple Stiltskin. We're here interviewing Prince Red Hoodie and his princess, Grumpunzel.
Valley's wide and green, but you're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ah! I mean, I can't even count how many sheep there are. There are so many.
Maybe it's dinner time and they're getting hungry.
Must have been just the wind and the trees. Huh? What's this? A baby?
Conosco la tua strada, ogni passo che farai, le tue ansie chiuse e vuoti, sassi che allontanerai.
Isn't it wonderful?
And what are you going to howl? I mean, sing for us today?
When your cup is empty and the moonlight is cold.
Music has a beat that comes from your heart.
That's if you have one.
You can learn to sing, you just gotta start.
No thanks.
Shake your